Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, welcome, Furry team, to the final day of the school week. And we can start off our Friday by creating a mindset that we're going to be the best versions of ourselves throughout this day. And we know it starts with pressing pause, then getting our minds right, which will help us prepare the best versions of ourselves in our minds so that we can then step up with the best versions of ourselves through our actions and choices. And when we talk about stepping up, we're talking about this middle letter right here, the R. It's our response we make in any moment. And one important thing to know about stepping up is that you're responding it to the moment that you're in right now. For example, everyone listening to the morning announcements right now, stepping up with the best version of you right now means you are being an above the line listener and that you're giving your best effort right now in this moment. Actually, the only time you can step up is in a moment. So for all of us, it's right now. There are a lot of things that happened yesterday, and each one of us can probably think back to a response we made and think to ourselves, I wish I would have made a different choice. If I had made a different choice, I could have gotten a better outcome or a different outcome. But the reality is we can no longer step up to yesterday, or we can't even step up to earlier this morning, or even when you first walked into the classroom. Those moments are now in the past. So we have to do the work to focus on making above the line choices to what is in front of us right now. Now, the same thing that can be said for events, this letter E, that we're going to have later today. For example, maybe you have PE class today and you're excited to work on your soccer skills and improve the best version of you with that. You can prepare for that in your mind right now. In your mind, you can prepare for that class, but you cannot step up and respond to it right now. The point is, each one of us has the moment we're in or the task we're working on to step up and respond above the line. All of our moments and events will change all throughout the day, and each one of them gives us the opportunity to step up in the moment with the best versions of ourselves. Work hard on this final day of the school week to use E plus R equals O to help you focus on the moment you are in and bring the best version of yourself everywhere you go today. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right. Thank you, everyone. Today is Friday, October 17th, 2025. And for lunch today, we'll have pizza dippers, green beans, and mixed fruit. The alternate sandwich is either ham and cheese or peanut butter and jelly. Now, we don't have any birthdays to celebrate today, but we do have some birthdays taking place over the weekend. So we'd like to say happy early birthday to Geo Group, Nicholas Mendoza, and Anakin Ryan Proctor. Happy early birthday to you three students. We hope you enjoy your birthdays over the weekend and enjoy getting to celebrate along with the Furry team here today. And an academic congratulations this morning. We want to say congratulations to second grade students Abigail Lauer, Liam Rodriguez, Parker Van Dongen, and Beckham Castor for reaching their nonsense word fluency goal, and they're all in Mrs. Riggy's class. Well done to those students and for each student who's stepping up in a moment to get a little bit better each time so they too can earn an academic congratulations. And now we'll take that moment to just press pause and get our minds right. And another thing that pressing pause and getting your minds right does is it puts you right here in the moment that you're in. And when you're right here, it gives you that opportunity to step up right now. We'll go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold for 4. Breathe out for 4. All right. Very, very good, boys and girls. Just one other announcement. I wanted to give a shout out and say thank you to Miss Greenbaum's class for representing Furry Elementary the Pirate Way, and this was yesterday. Their substitute teacher that they had in there for Miss Greenbaum made a point to find me yesterday so she could point out all the different above-the-line choices that she was seeing throughout the classroom and from different students in the classroom. And that's such a big deal because when we have guests in our building, such as substitute teachers, we want them to understand and feel the Pirate Way. And when students are working hard to make those above-the-line choices, we accomplish that outcome. So great job to Ms. Greenbaum's class for leading by example the Pirate Way for their substitute. And I hope we can always do the work for any guest that's in our building. And I love getting to hear those compliments. Well done to them. And that's going to be it for the announcements this morning. Let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. And let's make it a great day, Furry.